Good afternoon, everybody. Hey. It's your girl, Sal Pal. I wanted to come in and check on y'all, but baby, I am so tired. I am beyond tired. I almost got the house broke down and together. I have been working. I'm tired. I don't want to drain myself out and tire myself out so that I'm not able to entertain with you all. So I wanted to just make sure I come on and let y'all know that I am okay. I'm just tired and continuing to work and putting up clothes and unfolding clothes and just getting things together, okay? And then I just, like I said, I just wanted to come on and say hey to y'all. And I hope y'all had a good Sunday, a happy Sunday. I did get some food earlier. I had some collard greens and macaroni and cheese earlier. So I don't want anything else to eat. I'm good right now. I'm real good right now with everything. And also I wanted to thank Marianne and Carolyn. They invited me and Bama to dinner. Marianne, I know you walked the dog on the oxtails, girl. Go, Lord have mercy. I could have been over there sucking and sapping the bones. But I'm too tired. But when y'all come back to Atlanta, baby, we going to party like a rock star. Like in 1999, just let me know. Honey, we going to hang out like wet clothes on a clothesline. I ain't lying. I like good people, y'all. I really gratefully appreciate y'all. And I thank y'all so much. That'll be Carolyn, 3 ladies and a gentleman. 3 gentlemen and a lady. Baby, they are beautiful people. I love good people. I love people that's drama-free and like to have a good time, and we just don't keep up no mess and ain't got time for nobody else. Just honey, laughing. Y'all know Carolyn get to laughing. She can't quit. Y'all know she started laughing, honey. It'd be a trip without going on vacation. But Gucci Crew, I done had an awesome day so far. Like I said, I just want to get in the bed. I just want to take a hot shower and get in the bed and lay down and restart. That's all I want to do. That's it. That's all. Just restart. If I just get a 10-minute nap, maybe I can restart. I'm just capiche. Tomorrow I'm spending all day with putting beds together and everything, getting things back together. But your girl tired. So I want y'all to have a good night. I love y'all. And we'll be on tomorrow at 7. We will be on tomorrow at 7 a.m. in the morning. Back to the regular back channel, baby. I got to get y'all boys and girls up and get y'all on y'all way tomorrow. Because, honey, when I get up tomorrow, I'm going to start my day. And then I'm going to go walking and stretch my legs out. And then I'm going to come back. And I can do what it do. I love y'all. And you know it. And ain't nothing you can do about it. Also, what else I was going to tell y'all? Also, y'all make sure y'all keep no door locked. Y'all turn no air conditioners on. Because you're going to have the same bill if you run it or you don't run it. So you might as well turn your air on, all right? I love y'all, Gucci. I'll see y'all in the morning. Peace out. Mwah.